everybody and welcome to Storytime with Aura Libraries. Today I'm going to be reading and signing What the Ladybird Heard by Julia Donaldson and Lydia and published by Macmillan. Hope you enjoy. Once upon a farm lived a fat red hen, a duck in a pond and a goose in a pen, a woolly sheep, a hairy hog, a handsome horse and a dainty dog, a cat that meowed and a cat that purred, a fine prize cow and a ladybird. And the cow said moo and the hen said cluck, hiss said the goose and quack said the duck, neigh said the horse, oink said the hog, baa said the sheep and woof said the dog. One cat meowed and the other one purred, and the ladybird said never a word. But the ladybird saw, and the ladybird heard. She saw two men in a big black van, with a map and a key and a cunning plan. And she heard them whisper, "This is how we're going to steal the fine prize cow." Open the gate at the dead of night, past the horse, then turn right. Round the duck pond, past the hog. Be careful not to wake the dog. Left past the sheep, and then straight ahead, and in through the door of the prize cow's shed. And the little spotty ladybird, who never before had said a word, told the animals this is how two thieves are planning to steal the cow. They'll open the gate in the dead of night, past the horse and then turn right. Round the duck pond, past the hog, be careful not to wake the dog. Left past the sheep, then straight ahead, in through the door of the prize cow's shed. And the cow said moo, and the hen said cluck, hiss said the goose, and quack said the duck, neigh said the horse, oink said the hog, baa said the sheep, and woof said the dog, and both cats began to meow. We can't let them steal the fine prize cow. But the ladybird had a good idea, and she whispered into each animal's ear. At the dead of night, two bad men, Hefty Hugh and Lanky Len, opened the gate while the farmer slept, and tiptoed in to the farm they crept. Then the goose said neigh with all her might, and Len said, "That's the horse, turn right." And the dainty dog began to quack. "The duck," said Hugh, "we're right on track." "Oink," said the cats, "there goes the hog. Be careful not to wake the dog." "Ba, ba, ba," said the fat red hen. "The sheep, we're nearly there," said Len. Then the duck on the pond said moo, moo, moo. "Two more steps to go," said Hugh. And they both stepped into the duck pond, splash. And the farmer woke and said, "Golly gosh," and he called the cops, and they came, nee-naw, and they threw the thieves in their panda car. And the cow said moo, and the hen said cluck, hiss said the goose, and quack said the duck, neigh said the horse, oink said the hog, baa said the sheep, and woof said the dog. And the farmer cheered, and both cats purred, but the ladybird said never a word. Hope you enjoyed that story, everybody, and we'll see you again soon. Bye now.